Hey, thank you for clicking onto this non-aesthetically pleasing video. Let's jump right in. Today we have Femi Collection Syndrome Hair. This is a 13x5 frontal. It's an HD lace. I am able to bleach it, so that's what we're doing. It's a limited edition, so you won't be able to find it on the website. I bought this HD cap. I'm not using it. I'm using Sprints and Eben. Ooh, don't hate me. We're gonna use a fresh eyebrow razor and scissors. So it comes with 2 combs in the front and 1 in the back. An elastic band in the middle is 26 inches. I got too excited, y'all, but I look crazy. Yeah, crazy. No. So I realized I could see the cap and I don't like that at all. So yeah, I decided not to use the cap and bleach the hair. You need to tighten the back of the wig. Cut the lace, please. Cut the lace. Do not pour the bleach like this. I choked for 5 minutes. Don't do that. So I decided to do this bleach bath, and of course, I'm not doing it right, but we're just going to continue. I let that sit for 30 minutes. And then I wash it out with Dawn soap because I do not have purple shampoo. A little bit of Dawn and Dr. Teal's, Dr. Bronner's. It's just fine. So take your time on this part. I'm just measuring it on my head and cutting out my ear tabs. I used a little bit of concealer to put inside the wig. Now here is when I just decided to be so smart. I used the combs and I can't describe it, but I'm putting it inside of my braid so my wig could actually sit in one spot. You just gotta keep on moving it to make sure you're measuring it right. But this will keep my wig from sliding back if I do decide to do a glueless. It'll just sit right there. So I measure out my little forehead. Well, it's a big forehead, but I make it little. And I spray 3 layers of the Eben spray, let it dry, and I just stick it on there. I just wait for it to get tacky and I just press it down. I didn't tie it up with a band or anything. I'm gonna cut the lace first. Now watch how you cut in your lace. Just don't copy me. Do not cut upwards like that. Do not ever cut upwards like this. Like ever. I was doing it right here. This is how you cut your lace. Any other way you see me cutting it, don't even. Please, just don't. Because I done messed up. I fucked up. Okay, that's all I'm going to say. I fucked up. So with tiny parts like this, if I really want to be precise, I would pick it up with a tweezer and then cut it instead of trying to pick it up with my fingers and cut it. But we're just gonna do the side part and cover it up. It's okay. Keep on cutting, just keep cutting. Cut everything. I use a little bit of foam, any type of foaming mousse situation, and a holding spray together. And I mold my edges. This takes time. Everybody do their edges differently, so. So I'm about to cut my hair in the most choppiest way. Just don't copy me. Just know I fixed it. Just don't worry about it. So this is how we're looking so far. I'm obsessed with cutting hair, so I'm just cutting a whole bunch of layers into the hair, even though I'm not cutting enough to make layers. I'm just chopping the hair. I don't know what I'm doing. I'm just gonna wipe off the crust off the lace and put a little bit more pressed powder onto my hair and concealer on the part. And that's pretty much it, guys. Thank you so much for watching this video. I appreciate any type of support. Comment any tips or tricks you have for me, or just a support. I appreciate it. Like this video and share with your friends.